Hey, it's Donna Joy from donnajoycoaching.com, and I'm in sunny and very hot Las Vegas. Don't know if you can see that, it's outside my window, my hotel room. I've just come back from the pool and it's nearly 7 o'clock at night, and I reckon it's still about 42, 43 degrees out there, so it's absolutely beautiful after sitting in a freezing cold room all day. So you may be wondering, why am I in Vegas? Well, the thing is, I've been doing online marketing for a couple of years now, and I definitely was in that category of, stuck, struggling, and overwhelmed. So about 4 months ago, I committed to a really high ticket coaching program. And it was up in the 5 figures. So I'm in Vegas because I'm actually at a 3-day intensive coaching program. And it's awesome because there's only probably about 20 of us in a room. We've got 3 7-figure earners in there with us, which has been fantastic and in itself a little bit overwhelming. But what I wanted to talk about was the benefit of investing in myself, of investing that money in myself. I've been buying courses and courses and courses, online courses that were pre-recorded, and spending, I probably had spent up into the 5 figures in courses over the last 2 years, and I was still stuck in the same place. Very knowledgeable, got a lot of great knowledge from it, but I was still stuck in the same place. And what committing to this mentoring program has done for me, and spending that money, spending such a large amount of money in one hit, one, has given me a financial commitment to succeed, but 2, it totally shifted my mindset. Like, I thought that I was committed, and I was committed, all right, but I was doing a lot of time-wasting things. I was doing a lot of self-sabotaging and procrastinations, like not doing Facebook Lives, things like that, not sharing. I was the little girl that was following the trail of breadcrumbs along the path, but I wasn't actually stopping to look around and sharing what I was learning and seeing how I could help people along the way. So making this massive financial commitment has given me a mindset shift, and it has allowed me to realize that I wasn't actually doing any money-making activity. I was doing a lot of attraction marketing, things like that, but I wasn't actually selling anything. And the thing about online marketing is that you actually have to sell something. Okay, you have to sell something to make money. It's not going to happen if you don't. And obviously you have to sell something that you believe in and you're passionate about. So it gave me a mindset shift, as well as it's given me the commitment to do it. But the other thing that it's doing, and obviously, probably more valuable, is that all of a sudden I have people to put work in front of. So when I'm doing something, like, for instance, I've just come back from being critiqued this afternoon. I go off on these wild tangents of psychological and why isn't something working, and I kind of remind myself of my dog, my little 6-year-old Schnauzer, Chloe. Sometimes when I'm riding, I'll be totally obsessed with what I'm doing, and I won't notice that the poor little thing wants to play, and she'll be bringing toy after toy over to me, and after, like, I'll look down and I've got this massive, a pyramid of toys at my feet, and she's sitting there staring at me intently and then looking at the latest toy, and she's like, oh, she doesn't want to play with Squeaky Pig. Oh, well, I better go get Froggy. And then she'll come back with another toy and sit there staring at it, staring at me for 5 minutes, and then she'll go, oh, she doesn't want to play with Froggy. She'll go off and get this. And that was kind of me jumping around, doing stuff. Oh, that hasn't worked. I need to do this, and that doesn't work, so I'll do this. But the thing is, I didn't know why they weren't working. So what I was doing wasn't working either. And now I have people to put my stuff in front of, and they are so talented that they can look at it straight away and see why it's not working, and being critiqued. So, that's worth gold, being able to do that, and being in this mentorship program is giving me that. Now, the thing about this program too is that it doesn't just give you the mentorship. It's giving, it's not just for people who've been in online marketing for years. It's from beginners up. So people who know nothing, because it's letting people come in, and it's actually got sales funnels created that you can use, and that it teaches you how to put traffic, so how to put people into these sales funnels. So these sales funnels are going to convert these people and create sales for you, and you're going to make money out of them. Okay, so that's what a sales funnel is. You put people, we call it traffic, in the top, and the sales funnel is going to put them through a series of automated sales processes, and when they purchase that sales funnel, then you earn money. And that's the whole aim of any network marketer, any online marketer who is making money is using sales funnels, and they're driving traffic to it. And really, this is what it's all about. It's about creating sales funnels and selling. So this program is giving beginners sales funnels that they can use while they're learning. So they can actually be earning money while they're learning, rather than what I had to do, which was 2 years of running around trying to learn before I learned what I needed to know to be able to make money online. So this program is letting people learn straight up, which is fantastic. But what it's also doing is it's giving them a coach. So that's what I was spending $2,000 on a course and then getting nothing to go with that. So I was getting these pre-recorded videos, which were great, but I wasn't getting any one-on-one coaching or mentoring. And this program does that, not just at the level I'm at, but even at the very beginner level. When people first come into this system, they're getting online coaching. So they're getting these funnels, they're getting training on how to put traffic into the funnels, and they're getting these online coaches, which is fantastic. And the amazing thing about it is that that only costs $1. So just for $1, you can come into the system, you can try it for a month, you can try out these sales funnels, you can get your online coach, you go through a boot camp, which is going to teach you everything that you need to know about the process of creating sales online and using sales funnels and things like that. So it's very, very exciting, and that it can only be $1 just to get into that is, well, I think they're crazy personally to do it for only $1. It's the best $1 you'd ever spend. Even if all you did was come in and watch the training on traffic, on how to get the different traffic sources into your funnel, because you might know how to create a funnel, but you don't know how to get the traffic into it. Even if all you did for that $1 was come in and watch that, then that's $1 well spent. I mean, I did some research the other day on what you can get for $1 around the world, and the one thing that I remember is that in South America, or it might have been somewhere in Africa, for $1 you can get a bag of worms. Now, what would you rather have, a bag of worms for $1 or a 1-month trial on a system that could totally transform your life? Take you from that stuck and struggling, overwhelmed, trying to make money, and to finally teach you how to create that financial freedom that you've been striving for and that you've been trying to get, and would allow you to finally have success online and to live that lifestyle that you want, to be able to stay at home with your kids if you need to be able to retire without fear of not having any money coming in, to be able to live on a Mediterranean island, for as long as you want, and to be able to create income through your laptop and travel the world. That's what this can give you. So if anybody who's watching this is interested, just comment below and I'll message you and we can have a chat about it, and I'll show you how you can try it out for $1. I hope you're all having a fantastic time. I'm going to have a shower and I'm going to toddle off downstairs into the casino and get some dinner. So I hope you're all having a great day.